If you're like most people, you're constantly worrying about money in one form or another, and in many cases, you might not even realize it. Financial concerns can adversely affect mental health and emotional well-being, impacting personal relationships, physical health, and overall quality of life, even if these money-related fears aren't even justified. Thankfully, there are easy, practical steps anyone can take to ease these worries. By establishing a state of level-headedness, you can kiss those money fears goodbye and begin enjoying the dollars you earn instead of living in fear. Take a look at these strategies that will eliminate the possibility of ever worrying about money again, or at least minimize those negative emotions. Stick around to the end because implementing this information in your life can drastically improve your finances and overall quality of life. And I help teach people about money, personal finance, and investing. If you want to become financially free and not have to worry about money, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you find it helpful. Learning to let go of constant money worries involves coming to terms with the fact that financial markets and the economy are naturally uncertain. Whether it's inflation, interest rates, conflict overseas, politics, or just the fact that the economy is seemingly too good and it can't continue its upward trend, there will always be a reason for the market to be shaky. In addition, your income is most likely uncertain even if it doesn't seem so. Everyone has a friend or family member who had faithfully shown up to their workplace of many years at one time or another only to find out they've been laid off or the company has closed its doors. Instead of getting caught up in every up and down and worrying about each and every possibility, understanding that these ups and downs are just a part of the game can really help keep your mind at ease. It's like knowing that the weather can be unpredictable. You can't control it, but you can carry an umbrella just in case. This shift in perspective empowers you to take charge of your financial path, all while leaving less room for those money worries to take over. The sooner you come to terms and begin to embrace the uncertainty, the more content you'll be. Feeling less stressed about money can involve giving the news a bit of a break. Think about it. It's like when you take a break from checking your phone every 5 minutes. Those constant updates about stocks going up and down, markets doing this and that, they can really mess with your head sometimes. Maybe try not tuning in every single day. Instead, give yourself a few specific times each week to catch up on what's happening, or even less if possible. That way, you're not drowning in a sea of numbers and opinions all the time and worrying about the things you can't even control. It's kind of like when you're on a road trip. You don't need to know every single twist and turn on the map. You just need to know the general direction you're headed in. Keep your focus on your long-term goals and plans rather than getting caught up in every tiny bump along the way. And here's the cool part. When you're not constantly glued to the latest news, you free up your mind to think about the bigger picture. You can brainstorm ways to save, come up with new ideas to earn a bit extra, or just enjoy life without stressing over every economic hiccup. Let the news take a back seat and you'll find yourself enjoying the ride of life a whole lot more. Taming those money worries often comes down to a mindset shift, putting your focus on the things you can actually control and learning to let go of the stuff that's beyond your reach. Instead of losing sleep over things like the global economy or stock market roller coasters, which are about as controllable as the weather, zoom in on the aspects of your financial life that you have a say in. In the financial realm, you can't control every twist and turn of the markets, but you can control your budget, your spending choices, and your savings habits. Creating a budget that aligns with your goals, cutting back on non-essential expenses, and building up an emergency fund. These are the steering wheel and the pedals that put you in the driver's seat of your financial journey. The real magic happens when you realize that the more you concentrate on the choices you can make and the actions you can take, the less space there is for those nagging money worries. As you watch your savings grow and your financial goals inch closer, the unpredictable financial whirlwinds start to lose their intensity. It's like you've got your own financial compass, and even when the path gets bumpy, you're steering with confidence. In the end, it's all about finding that balance between acknowledging the uncontrollable aspects of the financial world and empowering yourself with the choices you can make. By focusing on your financial choices and embracing a flexible mindset, you can navigate the uncertain waters of money with a sense of purpose and optimism, leaving those money worries behind. Waving goodbye to money fears might just involve getting a bit creative with your cash flow. Instead of just relying on that regular paycheck, explore other ways to earn income so you're not overly reliant on one stream. Imagine turning your knack for crafting into an Etsy shop or using your weekend passion for photography to score some freelance gigs. Alternatively, develop passive income streams from investments. Diversifying your income streams is kind of like having a bunch of plants in your garden. If one doesn't do so well, you still got others thriving. By diversifying how you make money, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Plus, those side hustles and investments can be a great way to explore your interests while making some extra dough. As these side gigs grow, you'll start to see the benefits. Those unexpected expenses that used to give you a mini heart attack, they're not so scary anymore. And that main paycheck doesn't have to carry the weight of the whole world on its shoulders. With a mix of income streams, you'll find yourself riding the financial waves with more confidence and a lot less stress, so start exploring those extra income opportunities. Dialing down those money worries might just be a matter of amping up your savings game. You're creating a buffer that provides some breathing room. Rather than sweating the small stuff, consider ramping up your savings rate if possible and exploring options that will help you save more if you're not currently able. Increasing your savings rate is like adding more pieces to your financial puzzle. You're not just stashing away money, you're creating a map to navigate through the uncertainties that life might throw at you. Those sudden car repairs or surprise medical bills? They're not as daunting when you've got plenty of savings in the bank. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about the mindset. When you consciously set aside a bigger chunk of your income, you're telling yourself that your peace of mind matters. You're prioritizing your financial well-being and giving yourself room to breathe when things get a little bumpy. And here's the beauty of it. As you watch your savings grow, you're also watching your worries shrink. That nagging fear of the unexpected starts to lose its grip, replaced by a sense of confidence in your ability to handle whatever comes your way. Go ahead and give your savings rate a boost. Your future and current self will be relieved. Automating your bills and investments can really help take the stress out of your finances. How do you feel when a bill lands in your lap? Does it leave you feeling happy about making that payment? Of course not. Everyone hates paying bills, and the less you have to be reminded of each and every payment, the less stressed you'll be. Automating payments means no more worrying about missing bill due dates and getting hit with annoying late fees. With automation, your bills get paid on time every time. And when it comes to investments, setting up automatic contributions to your savings or retirement accounts means you're consistently working towards your financial goals without even thinking about it. Plus, you don't have to stress about trying to time the market or make rushed investment choices. Whether it's paying your bills or building your wealth, automation is the way to go. Money-related worries are a common aspect of modern life, but they don't need to dominate our thoughts and actions. Through practical steps such as budgeting, creating emergency funds, managing debt, and seeking financial education, individuals can take control of their financial situations and alleviate the stress associated with money. These strategies contribute not only to improved financial well-being, but also to a healthier and more fulfilling life overall, and keeping a clear mindset can open up endless doors and opportunities for future prosperity.